Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lage Raho. In the last class, we have solved question number 3 and 4. Now in today's class, we will see the next question. Find the Cartesian equation of the lines parallel to y-axis and passing through the point 1, 1, 1. Very easy question, dear students. So any line, see here, 3D you know, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is z-axis. See here, Cartesian equation I have to find. Line is parallel. Of the lines are parallel to what? Y-axis. Any line which is parallel to y-axis. If it is parallel to y-axis, this is parallel to y-axis, then how much angle it is making, you see here. This is a parallel to y-axis. This is only y you think. This is what? Your x. This is z. Clear? Huh? So line is parallel to y-axis. That means it is making angle with what? 90 degree with x-axis and 90 degree with what? 90 degree with what? Z-axis. So then direction cosines will become what? So if the angles alpha is making how much? 90 degree with x-axis and y-axis how much? It is 0 degree. Beta is making 0 degree because line is parallel to what? Y-axis. For z-axis it is what? Again 90 degree. Yes or no? 90 degree it is. Got it? So that's why your direction cosines will become what? Cos alpha, L and M are what? Direction cosines. L is nothing but cos alpha. M is nothing but cos beta. N is nothing but cos gamma. So cos alpha means what? Cos 90. Cos 90 is what? 0 or not? Cos 0 is how much? Y-axis it is 0. Beta. Cos 0 is 1. Again gamma is how much? 90 degree. Cos 90 is again what? 0, dear students. That's why we will write direction cosines of a line parallel to y-axis are 0, 1, 0, dear students. Clear? I hope it is clear. So next is what? Equation of a line passes through what? Passes through the point 1, 1 and having what? Direction cosines as 0, 1, 0 is given by how much? How will write up? Any line which is parallel to, I mean what? Given line. So line is parallel and line is passing on a point also. We are having a theorem. Line is passing on a point and parallel to a vector. Can you remember or you know? See, line is there and parallel to a vector. So direction cosines you know that already parallel it is. Line is parallel to this given vector means what? So we are having equation. Cartesian equation is what? X minus x1. This is nothing but Cartesian equation, dear students. Cartesian equation is, see here, x minus x1 divided by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c, dear students. What are a, b, c and what is x1, y1, z1? Line is passing on a point is nothing but what? These are only called as x1, y1, z1. These are called as a, b, c, dear students. For your understanding, I am writing there. So x minus x1. x1 is how much? 1. And what is your a? A is how much? 0. And y minus how much? y1 is how much? 1 or not? 1 you write. And how much b value is? B value is 1. We will write 1 here. Z minus Z1 is how much? 1. I will write here 1. And C is how much? 0 or not? 0 I will write. This is our required answer, dear students. He has asked our Cartesian equation. Find the Cartesian equation of the line which is parallel to what? Y-axis. So that 0, 1, 0. If it is parallel to x-axis, 1, 0, 0. If it is parallel to z-axis, 0, 0, 1. Clear? So please copy this one. This diagram are not required. For your understanding I have drawn. So copy the answer. We'll continue with the next question now. I hope you are understanding. Let us continue with next question, dear students. I hope you have pressed the like button. Please do it if you are not doing. So show that the lines x minus 5 divided by 7, y plus 5 divided by minus 5 is equal to z by 1 and x by 1 and is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 3 are perpendicular to each other. So if it is perpendicular to each other, you know that the dot product is always equal to 0. So you know, dear students, equation of Cartesian equation, it is looking like this: y minus y1 divided by b, z minus z1 divided by c. You know b1 is nothing but this only. A, B, C are called as what? Vector B or not? Here two lines are there. That's why we will get a B1 and B2. So here B is nothing but what? Vector B is AI cap plus B J cap plus C K cap you used to write. In Cartesian equation, you know that theorem. Vector B is nothing but we have considered ABC only. Here what is the ABC? Can you see? Here B1 is what? Because two lines are there, dear students. Two lines are there, line 1 and line 2. That's why B1 is used. Vector B1 is equal to how much? That is 7 I cap and this is minus 5 j cap plus k cap. And vector B2 is what? B2 is I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So let us take the dot product, whether it will give 0 or not. If it gives 0, then only we can say lines are perpendicular. Otherwise we can't say. So B1 is what? 7 I cap minus 5 j cap plus k cap dot B2 is what? I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. So multiply this. I to I, 7 1 ja 7. I to I you have to multiply j to j. Minus into plus minus 5 2 ja 10. Now k to k, 1 into 1, 1 into 3, 3, 7 plus 3 is what? 10, minus 10 is remaining as it is, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 minus 10 is how much? 0 or not? Therefore, you can write it as what? Therefore, given lines are perpendicular to each other. When dot product is equal to 0 means what? The given lines are said to be perpendicular to each other. I hope it is clear. So your understanding means please like my channel. So we'll meet you in my next class. Tab tak lage raho maths ke saath. Thank you. You can copy this.